Say hello to Barapani or the beautiful Umiam Lake, guys. This is me, Cynthia. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't been active lately, but I decided to take a short trip, and here's the video. Our first destination is Laitlum. This place is still as beautiful as earlier, and this little snowball made my trip even better.
Hi. Oh, you're so happy.
And so was I. Let's walk down even further. The view, the breeze, the sunlight, everything was mesmerizing. As it's starting to get darker, it's getting foggier, so let's head home before it gets worse. Spent the night at Cherrapunji, and early morning we are headed off to watch the beautiful Seven Sisters Waterfall. It's November, hence no rain and hence no waterfall. But अब यहाँ तक आ ही गए हैं तो थोड़ा stalls ही देख लेते हैं. Noodles, cakes, biscuits and other snacks. Some beautiful woolens. Bags, hats and cute little souvenirs. My mom would have loved this wooden spatulas. Wanna have some pickle? Check out these wooden crafts. Does this make me look fancy enough to visit the Queen? Can't believe I found some Korean noodles over here! Oh my god! Here's my breakfast, ready-made roti with an omelette inside it. Let's check how it tastes. It was very simple, there was no masala or any veggies, it was very buttery though. Now here's a beautiful place I discovered while I was looking for the washroom. Done with the breakfast, now we are headed off to the Mawsmai Cave. And here we are. Did Maggie throw up on this shop?
Like this side? Okay. And we come back here. Okay.
Did a little walk.
आया मुंडी में लगा रे ओ बाप रे oh can I even stand here okay exit closing Maggie ka fool and this was right in front of my head that part was the toughest guys I can feel what caterpillars feel today. But it was adventure. Finally. We're at the end, guys. Yay, we made it.
This way is the second Mawsmai Cave. Here are some tourists clicking pictures in traditional Khasi attire.
You can cut this. Cut one for me. Yes, one. Thank you. Let's eat cucumber. Oh ho ho, क्या स्वाद है guys. Oh ho ho ho. ऊपर से भैया ने दीदी ने डाल दिया नमक और ऊपर से डाल दिया चिली मसाला. बढ़िया है.
Now we're headed off to our next destination, or pretty much the last one for the day. And we're finally here.
Oh, bye bye.
Watch this motivated face change in no time.
It's getting steeper, guys. Oh my god. 30 minutes into walking and I'm just sitting down because no stamina and I'm fat. So yeah, more to go.
At some points the stairs couldn't fit a single foot, so I had to walk sideways.
We've been walking for 1 hour now, and as you can see, I've tied my hair because it's sorry, beep that. And I literally saw a woman faint, and they had to carry her back. So it's actually very, very scary. I'm scared. What is this, man? Are you kidding me? How am I walk this? Oh my goodness. Okay, oh my god, okay, I don't know. I've changed from boots to chappal, guys. Let's continue the journey. I crossed it and it was not possible to do any video because I was so scared. My feet was trembling. I had chappals, so I was more scared that my feet was gonna slide between all those rods. Oh my god, I don't want to go back. I want to stay here. अभी तो रिटर्न भी जाना नहीं हुआ अभी चढ़ना स्टार्ट हो गया मैं मर जाऊँ I can see the water and I can hear the falls so I guess we're finally near. Sorry guys, I'm not near. It's just another bridge. We gotta cross it now. Oh well. Okay, this is scary too but still. So okay, the view was similar when I was walking the other bridge earlier and oh wow, the water is so blue. It's so blue and it's so clear. Crossed that bridge and there is actually more to go. So I need some energy. No energy at all. Journey back again.